Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing an advent calendar. It is enormous. It is so big. Look at this. It could not be much bigger. This is the latest in beauty Sunday time style advent calendar and it is literally so heavy, so big. I am feeling like I need to caffeinate more to unbox this. It is just enormous. Also, this advent calendar is worth a whopping £700. No joke, £700. It's being sold for a lot less. It's being sold for £175, which is a mega saving. But I'm excited to see what's inside. I can't believe the size of it. It's just so big. It's so heavy. I'm here for it. You know, when you're like, oh my God. Anyway, let me show you. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's so big. Like, it's so big. I feel like a lumberjack. But yeah, it's enormous. It's so big. It's so heavy. I can't even hold it up for long because it's enormously heavy. Anyway, it's worth £700. It's being sold for £175. I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna do it together. I am pumped up. I had a tiny look at the website to see a few of the contents and I can tell you there is Charlotte Tilbury in here. There is Tropic Skincare. There is... oh my God, what else? My mind has gone absolutely blank. Let me get up my phone because I have no memory. There is Tasha Skincare. There is Paradox. There is Dahlia, there is Voltri, there is Charlotte Tilbury, there is The Living Proof, there is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, there is This Works, Pixie, Miller Harris. I'm gonna stop there. You know when you're like, I don't want to give the game away. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna do the entire thing. We're gonna do all the drawers, but in no particular order, so that if you are wanting to buy this advent calendar, you can have some surprise in terms of what order you get things. And I'm just gonna dig in. So yeah, let's do it. This advent calendar is literally enormous. Okay, let's go. Ooh, so the first item that we have is the Tropic Skincare Rainforest Dew. I love this product. I've used it many times. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the Tropic Skincare serums. I think they are so good and I think they're a bit underrated personally. Full size product, absolutely love. I'm all in. Ooh, next up we have the Miller Harris Sercho, I think it's pronounced, perfume. This is a 10ml bottle. I absolutely love this perfume. It's actually the best seller from Miller Harris now as well. I remember when it was launched and it's gorgeous. It's such a beautiful perfume. Amazing, like what a treat. Next up we have a full size bottle of Ritual of Jing Relax Calming Foaming Shower Gel. Love this stuff. Love Rituals. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the fact that it's full size as well. So that is amazing. Ooh, the next item is by BBB London. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's a clear brow gloss. Great. Can't complain. Always love a brow gloss. Then the next item is 111 Skin. I think it's 111 Skin as opposed to 111. I'm not sure. But I love these face masks. They're absolutely incredible. They're quite expensive, so I don't tend to buy them very often. But when I get them in beauty boxes, I am here for it. So that is the next item. Yes. I needed more of this. I love this. This is the Living Proof Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. It is the best dry shampoo in the world. Like, I really want to like the cheaper brands. I really do. But I just, oh, it's so good. This is like the best dry shampoo in the world. So that is the next item. And again, full size. I'm seeing a theme. There's a lot of full-size products in this one. Okay, next item is by, Hair by Sam McKnight. Yes, this is called Happy Endings and it is a nourishing balm, 30ml. Again, I think that's full size. Absolutely love it. Such a treat. Sam McKnight hair care, amazing. And then we have two things in the next one. We have a 2-for-1. This is Paradox hair care and this is the shampoo and the conditioner. Absolutely love Paradox hair care. It's so good, so good. Whew, so next row. I'm trying to do this quite quick, but at the same time, I feel like it could still be a lengthy video. So I'm trying to go through not too chatty, but it's hard because I'm so excited about everything. Okay, next item. Oh my god, this is Oskia London. Hello. This is the Isotonic Hydra Serum. This is 30 mils. Absolutely amazing. Love Oskia skincare. I can't afford it normally, so this is major, major, major treat. How exciting. Hello. Hello. This is James Reed. This is the Gradual Tan Sleep Face Mask with retinol. Hello. That's like 2 products in one. Amazing. This is this 20, 30 mil? 25 mil in the middle. That's amazing. So that is the next item. And then we've got Charlotte Tilbury. Hey Charlotte. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is 15 mil. Absolutely amazing. What a treat. And what's in this one? Ooh, Apothecary? Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that one. I'm not good with words. Yeah, this is an eye serum. I'm going to move on from that very quickly because I cannot pronounce it. But I'm sure you're going to love it. It's an eye serum. I'm so bad. And again, full size. Just saying. Full size eye serum right there. Okay, next item is by Volturi. And this is the Daily Apple Toner. This is a malic acid and prebiotic. 30 mil. Wonderful. Love it. Thank you. And then here it is, the Brazilian Bum Cream. I'm just going to put it out there though. I have a bigger bum than this cream would allow for. I need a bigger tub. I'm just saying. So if you've got a small bum, this is for you. But I may need a couple more tubs to cover, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, just putting it out there. Ooh, this is Dahlia. This is the In Bloom Radiant Liquid Blush. I love their cosmetics. They're so good. They're so good. This is a blush and it's in peony, full size. Again, love it. This advent calendar is amazing. It's like itching all my scratches. Next item, we have Dr. Hauschka. This is the bronzing tint. This is 18 mil, so again, full size. Let's have a look at the shade because I'm pale. I'm a ghost. So it might be too dark for me, but I'll give it a go. And if it is too dark for me, I'm going to give it to my mum because I think she'll like it. So that is the next item. And then we have the Body Shop Chamomile Sumptuous Makeup Cleansing Butter. Ooh, amazing. I've not tried this and I love the Body Shop. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to give it a sniff to see how it smells. Oh, very gentle and lovely. Very calming, very soothing. So that is the next item. Then what next? I'm really worried I'm going to miss a drawer out because there's so many drawers. I don't want to miss anything out. Okay, next item. This is a big one. This is by Lumen. I think you're pronouncing it. And this is the 72-hour Hydra Gel Mask. 150 mils. What a whopper. That's amazing. And then where to next? Ooh, next. This is one of the stars of the show. I think this product alone is worth like 60 or 70 pounds, I think I saw. This is by Tasha and this is a water cream. I've never tried this. I've heard it's amazing. I've just never been able to afford it. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. That is the next thing. Ooh, Pixie. Hello. This is the Botanical Collagen Mask. Love, love, love Pixie. I love their skincare. I think it's like so good and it's so affordable and it's really like hard working. I don't know what it is. It just really agrees with my skin. So I'm looking forward to this. And this is again, full size, 45 mil. That's incredible. Whew, you know when you're like, I feel like I need a sip of my coffee. Where is my coffee? It's like hiding behind the advent calendar and the advent calendar is so big. I need to properly maneuver myself to get it. Ooh, okay, that feels good. Whew, got this advent calendar. It's a whopper. Okay, next item, we've got Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. I love this product. It's so good. Cannot believe they're giving us so many full-size products. This is 100 mil. Absolutely amazing. I think this is worth about 30 or 40 pounds alone. Ooh, and then we have Gatineau. This is the Radiance Enhancing Gommage. This is a skin perfecting enzyme AHA exfoliator with glycolic, lactic and malic acids. Again, full size, 75 mil. This is all about the full size, it's advent calendar. I'm just saying it's full size all over the show. And then next we have This Works, who I love. This is a Morning Expert CBD booster with coenzyme Q10. Again, full size product. face and body, 30ml, absolutely amazing. Whew. And now we have the final item. It is by Amica. This is Soul Food. This is a Nourishing hair mask. Again, full size. There is a theme here. Basically everything is full size. It's pretty amazing. So there it is. There is the advent calendar. I managed to rattle through that in like 12 minutes, which I think is pretty impressive. I really tried to like not waffle on too much about all the products. This is an overwhelming one. This is like so overwhelming. There is so much in here that I am kind of blown away. Like everything is basically full size, which is crazy. There is 25 items, 25 full size items. There is so much in here that you could keep things and give things away and make new Christmas presents with them. Like there is literally things that you could like package up 2 or 3 items to make a really lovely gift set for somebody. My favorites have to be, oh god, I can't even think. The Living Proof, I love. I had that on my shopping list. The Charlotte Tilbury, of course. The Pixie. Oh my god, the Miller Harris. I love Miller Harris. I'm so excited to have another bottle of that perfume. Oh my god, the Tropic Skincare. Oh my god. I'm literally forgetting things that are at the beginning because there's so much in here that I've gotten overwhelmed by all the items. And then we've got the 111 Skincare. Oh my god, like I'm literally having to open boxes to remind myself what is in here. We've got the Bum Cream, not for my bum. The Charlotte Tilbury, the Lumiere, the Tasha Skincare, the This Works, the Body Shop, the Rainforest Dew. There's a lot in here. Oh my god, the blusher, the Dahlia blusher. Oh yes, yes. There's a lot in here. I love the fact that we've got a lot of skincare. I love the fact that we've got a lot of bath and body care. We've got the shampoo, we've got the conditioner, we've got the hair mask, we've got styling creams. There's not much duplication, which I really like. There's just a lot of really, really lovely stuff that I'm really excited about using. In terms of things that I won't use, there's not much. I feel like everything is really quite universal. The Dr. Hauschka might be too dark for me because I am a ghost. That is my own fault. What else might I not use? There's not really very much. Like I feel like everything is really universal and really like usable for everybody and every skin type, and yeah, I think it's amazing. You know, when you're like, what a box. Top 5 products I think would have to be, for me, the Tropic, the Charlotte Tilbury, Pixie, the Tasha, because I'm really excited about trying that. And oh god, it's so hard to just pick one more. Oh my god, why did I set myself the challenge of like picking my top 5 things? This Works. I love This Works. Yeah, it's such a good box. It's such a good advent calendar. It's amazing. Whew, it's really good. So yeah, it is £700 worth of products for I think £175. So good, so good. I will put the link below if you want one. Like, click the link. If you don't and you just want to live vicariously through my excitement, enjoy. And yeah, that is everything. Love Latest in Beauty. Their monthly beauty boxes are standout, my fave ever. I love this advent calendar. It's amazing. I'm going to just go drown myself in products now. Okay, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.